Oh, you got cologne? Everything. Ugh, it's so short. There we go. This looks like the shopping section of it. I have to watch out for these cords because they keep hitting me in the head. Yeah, this is the clothing area, I guess. All shoes that don't fit me. Excuse me. What? Very busy. Wow, it's so hot. Lots of jewelry. Ooh, that bakery looks good. I wonder how we get to the bakery. I just saw a bunch of donuts. Here comes another low. There we go. Okay, let's go through here. Haircut feels nice. Now let's find those donuts. Wow. These look good. Those look good. Any of these look good to you? Maybe we have to go pick it inside. Yeah. We'll be back. It's only 20 pesos for French bread? I might get one just because it's 20 pesos. Excuse me. This one? It feels nice and soft. I'm getting this French bread too here. What else? This looks good. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I guess bibingka. What drew me over here was this. Oh, that's ham. I don't want ham. Torta. Ube. What else? 30. This is, look how soft that is. Chocolate bread? Chocolate bread sounds so good. It's only 50 pesos. Should we get it? Maybe make French toast with it? I don't have to carry it, so that's good for me. What about the muffin? And the chocolate one? Okay. That's probably good. Yeah. Bread? You want food? I'll give you. There you go. Let's go. We got a few loaves of bread and I think about six desserts. It was like $145, which is about $2.50. really want to sit back and try it. It was in the Colonnade Mall, just their bakery for the shopping center there. Let's try to get back into the market now, see what we can find. Okay, bye. Okay, we're gonna try the chocolate one. Or I'm gonna try it. She's full, I guess. Huh? Very good, just like Devil's Food Cake. Delicious. I think this was like 20 cents, maybe 15 cents. Best place to get water in the Philippines, right here. Uncle's got water for you. See you, my friend. Okay, we're gonna get back to the market. We'll see you in a second. Look at everything. We got kids' toys. The kids' toys. You see the Super Metro behind me. That's a good landmark if you're trying to find this place. Tattoos. Wallets. Oh, I see food over there. Socks. I always need socks. I'm tempted. Go ahead. Earrings. Tempered glass. Wow. This place goes for blocks. So much.
Inspired perfume, long-lasting, 200 pesos.
Get a pair of Skechers for $2. This one's all Nikes. Wow, it's a good deal. If only they had my size. Everything stops at about a 10, so it's not gonna fit me for sure. Fans? Cinderlog t-shirt's only 100. Do you want a Cinderlog shirt? You're not gonna get them cheaper than 100. Hi. Let's see. What sizes do they have? No sizes. Okay. Buy one, take one, $2.99. That's still good. Did you want one? You're not going to get one cheaper than this. Which one? I don't think they're going to have my size. It's going to fit me. Hi. What's the largest size you have, my friend?
This is oversized.
Oversized?
This is oversized.
Here, will you?
This one we have medium or large.
Large. Can you hold this? Let's see. Maybe. I think it'll be tight. What do you think? I'm very oversized. I'm extra oversized. What's that?
This is little.
It's okay. I'm used to it. I'm too big for the Philippines, man. I know. Thank you very much. Do you want one? No? Okay. Salamat, my friend. He was even sorry. He seemed nice. Hey, yeah. Jewelry. Wow, perfume. Lots of perfume. 2 for $150. What? I heard her say American gun, and I was like, what? Oh, what is this thing? I don't know. Is it ice cream? Oh. I think Kuya stopped for dinner. This food looks good though.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
The food looks really good there. You might have to try and get some. I don't know. Everything looks good here. I don't know. This food just catching my eye. Yeah. They got banana heart, chicken. Looks good. Everything looks good. There's even mango float. Okay, they're too busy right now. We'll circle back. Looks good. Yeah. Very popular. Wow, there's another block.
Hey.
Hey. We haven't even found the food yet. We found a few food places. Maybe this is food. I see a lot of smoke coming out this way, so let's run across. Ah, yes, this is food. Perfect. My favorite part. See, they're tiny like kids. Everyone's so small here. Slupua. Just balot.